In the middle of the South African savannah lived a confident rhino named Jabari. Jabari loved to sing and believed he had the best voice in the land. But unfortunately, that was not true. Jabari wanted to enter the annual talent contest, so he asked his closest friends if they liked his voice. His friends did not want to hurt his feelings, so they all told a little white lie. Absolutely, they all said. Layla was the only one who told Jabari the truth. "Your singing is not very good," said Layla. "How honest." "You are mean," said Jabari. He got very angry and walked away. Jabari decided to ignore Layla. The next day, he stood in line for hours, with all the other animals that wanted to enter the talent contest. On the day of the contest, Jabari walked onto the stage and began to sing. Everyone got annoyed at his bad singing. They began to shout boo. Some animals even threw fruits at poor Jabari. How sad. Jabari felt so embarrassed. He ran away as fast as he could. From afar, Layla saw what happened and followed him. "You were right, Layla," said Jabari. "My singing is horrible." "It's okay to be horrible at something," said Layla. "Not everyone is good at everything. Look at me, I'm horrible at dancing." "Yes, that's true. Your dancing is horrible," Jabari laughed. That day, Jabari learned that he could trust Layla to always tell the truth. He also learned that not everyone is good at everything. So he decided to focus on one of his talents, his strength. And the following year, he won the prize for the strongest little rhino in the land. Jabari still practiced his singing in the shower though, and with time, he got a little better. To watch more stories, just visit our YouTube channel. All stories are in the present, past and future tenses, also available in various languages. How great! Also, members of the Abuti Academy get access to workbooks and much more. Visit our website to find out more about all the language learning materials that we have to offer. www.abutisyllabus.com